Welcome to solverfy.
Hello everyone. In this problem we are given with the slope of the roof as 10 by 12, and now we need to calculate the minimum amount of the chimney. So that is the requirement here. So now let us first simplify the given figure for minimum chimney height requirement. So the reliable diagram will be, so this is the figure where y represents the total chimney height, and x represents the height of chimney above highest point of roof, within 10 feet, and m is the slope of the roof, and we are given with the slope as 10 by 12. So from this figure we can say that y is equal to 10 multiplied by m plus x. So here we have the slope to be 10 by 12, substituting it here, so we will be getting to be y to be equal to 10 multiplied by 10 by 12 plus x. So now we get the equation of y to be equal to x plus 25 by 3. Now let us take this to be equation number 1. So now we need to find the least amount of chimney possible, so that is the least value of y that complies with the building code. So here from the equation 1 we can obtain the minimum y for the minimum x. So here, using the minimum value of x as 2, so x equal to 2, the equation y1 will become y is equal to 2 plus 25 by 3. So simplifying this, we get this value to be 31 by 3. Since 31 by 3 is greater than 3, so it complies with the building code. So to verify that 31 by 3 is indeed the least y possible, so if we observe that y which is greater than 31 by 3, so now substituting the value of y here as x plus 25 by 3, which is less than 31 by 3. So substituting the value of from this we get the value of x to be 31 by 3 minus 25 by 3. So we get the value of x to be less than 2. So this value does not meet the building code requirement. So with this we can say that the least possible chimney height is, so least possible chimney height is 31 by 3 feet. So therefore the minimum height of the chimney is 31 by 3 feet. So this is the required answer for the question. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.